sharp, play hard. Yeah, I play my first card, ace hard. Yeah, they know I play smart, play hard. We don't have the same start.
What's up YouTube? Back again with another video for you guys. Today we went ahead and installed the rock guards on the Demon. So I went ahead and did a step-by-step installation video for you guys. So let's check it out. So before we put the front rock guard on, you have to remove the top 7mm bolt here along with this push pin here. You reuse those when you put the front rock guard on. The directions want you to drill a hole into the plastic here, but instead of doing that, we're going to use two-sided tape, 3M two-sided tape all along here to hold it on up top. That way we don't have to drill into the plastic. So this bottom hole here that the push pin goes through is a little too small for this to fit through. So I recommend taking a one size up drill bit and hogging that hole out just a little bit. Not a ton, but just to make it a little bit bigger so that this push pin slides through the hole easier. So we used a 17/64 drill bit to drill that hole out. So we put the bottom push pin in as a placeholder along with screwing in the bolt just so that we know where to put the 3M two-sided tape along the fender here. So if you're like us and don't want to screw into the wheel well, I recommend using 3M two-sided tape to adhere the top of the rock guard to the wheel well instead of drilling in to the plastic. So we went ahead and applied the 3M two-sided tape to the edge of the wheel well here, and that's how we're gonna stick the top part of the rock guard instead of drilling in right here. So So before you get started on the rear, you have to take the rear wheel off in order to get a drill back here to drill the hole in the bottom of the inner fender well to hold the rock guard on. So we're going to take the rear wheel off now. As you can see under here, there's two pegs. That's where they want you to jack. That's the jacking point for the rear on the Demon, are these two plastic pegs here. So I recommend using a paint pen to mark where you want to drill the hole. You basically line it up here, and then I used a paint pen to make a mark so that way we know where to drill the hole in the inner fender well here. You're going to want to use a 3/32 drill bit to drill this hole. You don't want to go any bigger than that because it will come through the bottom or the top. So 3/32 drill bit on that. So the directions want us to drill holes here and here as well, but since we don't want to put holes in the plastic, we're going to just two-sided tape the edge of the fender well here for the rock guard to stick to, kind of like we did on the front. That way we only have the one hole here so that we don't have to drill unnecessary holes in the plastic. So yeah, like I mentioned before, we use 3M two-sided tape to line the edge of the fender well here. And just like that, the rock guards are on. So here's the final product of the Swaim custom fabrication rock guards for a 2018 Wide Body Hellcat or Demon. They turned out nice. Real easy installation. Here's the back. And like I said, we only had to drill in to the plastic one time for the one screw on the back. These definitely stick out more than I like, but they're definitely going to protect the paint on these wide body cars, especially the Demon with the drag radials all the way around. I know a lot of guys on the forums and on different Facebook pages that already have these cars and that have been putting miles on them have been saying these things are a must because these drag radials just fling rocks and chip the paint. So now that we got these on, we'll be able to go test the car, get some miles on it, break it in, get 500 miles on it before we put the new PCM in the car that comes in the crate. Look forward to doing that. Looks like we're gonna have some nice weather this week here in Michigan. Mid 50s, actually saw 60s, lower 60s at the end of the week. So this weekend should be fun. This coming up weekend should be fun in the car. Put some miles on it, get some good video, do some reviews. If you're interested in getting a set of these Swaim custom fabrication rock guards for your 2018 Wide Body Hellcat or Demon, I'll put a link in the description below on where you can order these. This guy custom makes them right from his house. So that completes today's video, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, browse the channel and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day. I'll see you next video. Peace.